Okay, real talk muna tayo. Sobrang bilis magbago ng VA industry now kasi nga may mga AI tools and automations na tayo. So, yung mga sobrang in-demand na skills before, hindi na siya enough today. So, as a virtual assistant or if you are starting your VA journey and gusto mo ng mataas na income, better clients, or new set of skills, so for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung virtual assistant skills na need i-learn, especially sa era natin now na andito na yung AI, automation, para hindi tayo mapag-iwanan ng panahon. So, skill number 1 is AI tools and automation. Ito yung pinaka-important ngayon. Alam naman natin na may mga AI tools na like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or sobrang dami. Sobrang dami nila. And hindi naman ibig sabihin na talagang papalitan tayo ng AI. But, if you're a VA na marunong kang makiride on or gumamit ng AI tools or automation tools, mas magiging effective ka sa clients. Siyempre, mas mabilis ka, mas advanced ka, mas effective ka sa business operation ni client. So, like for example, andyan yung ChatGPT, yung Gemini, yung Claude, yung Notion, Zapier, and a lot more. Before, kung gagawa tayo ng caption, syempre parang aabot ng oras. But now, kaya mo nang gumawa ng caption in just seconds or minutes, di ba? And you can create a content calendar in just one snap lang din. So, alam mo yun, you can provide a great vision to your client with the use of AI. Sobrang useful din talaga ng AI kasi for example, if may mga bagay na parang hindi mo alam kung paano gawin, hindi mo siya gets, i-feed mo lang siya and i-help ka niya to understand everything. Skill number 2 is social media management. So, a lot of businesses invest so much in social media these days kasi sobrang malawak yung social media as a platform for their business, for their brand eh. So, if you are a VA or if you are someone na marunong mag-create ng content calendar, marunong mag-analyze ng posts, marunong mag-manage ng analytics, marunong mag-strategize ng mga content, sobrang important ka talaga sa client. So, hindi na enough yung marunong lang mag-post. Alam mo yun, yung parang gawa ka lang ng caption tapos post mo lang. Hindi. Dapat marunong ka rin sumabay sa trends. Marunong kang mag-test if ano yung mag-work or hindi na content sa pages mo. Especially now, sobrang daming businesses na pumupunta sa TikTok kasi mas malawak dun, mas wide yung opportunities for them. Huwag ka lang post ng post. Kaya nga tinatawag na social media management, diba? Kasi parang you are the manager. So, ikaw yung parang nagli-lead. Hindi yung parang robot ka lang na kung may gusto si client na ipa-post, post mo lang din. Alam mo yun. You are the manager, you are the brain using their social media platforms. So, yes. Skill number 3 is copywriting. So, yung copywriting naman guys is ito yung parang paggamit ng text or pagsusulat na in a most effective way na parang makukuha mo talaga yung attention ng mga consumers, yung mga audience. Ito, ginagamit ito for like emails, ads, captions, websites, landing pages, and a lot more. So, a good copywriting skill will lead to more business growth sa client mo, more audience for them, more sales for them. Parang ikaw yung nagiging way for them na makakuha ng sales, makakuha ng audience, ng views. If you're writing an email or an ads, tapos i-place mo yung self mo na parang ikaw yung audience, parang iti-test mo if talagang makukuha ba yung attention mo, makukuha ba yung interest mo with the details that you write, you put there. Skill number 4 is project management and organization. So, gusto kasi ni client na to have someone na can manage workflows, systems. So yun nga, di ba, may mga tools tayo like Asana, Trello, ano ba, ClickUp, Notion. For clients din naman, syempre, less stress din for them kasi sobrang organized mo, detail-oriented ka, and parang hindi na sila need always magbigay ng instructions sa'yo kasi they are very confident na alam mo na yung susunod na gagawin. Project management. So for example, may campaign kayo for this week and need na ni client mag-send ng mga email campaigns, need na ni client gawa ng mga landing pages, need na ni client mag-develop ng mga contents. So, ikaw, if you're a VA na sobrang lakas ng project management and organizational skills mo, syempre, ilalog mo doon sa tools mo na or sa systems mo kung ano yung mga unahin, ano yung mga target isasubmit. Dapat at this hour or day, may ma-release na ng mga campaigns. Sobrang big win yun sa client kasi parang ikaw na mismo yung nag-initiate. Skill number 5 is video editing and short form content. Ito, sobrang huge nito talaga these days kasi of course naman if I'm a business owner or I'm the client, of course gusto ko visible yung business or brand ko sa social media in terms of videos, reels, infographics, carousels, or a lot more. So I own a beauty brand, tapos paano ako maka-attract ng clients or customers if I don't produce any materials in social media, diba? So, yung mga VAs na marunong mag-edit ng video, kahit basic editing lang, sobrang huge din ang importance nila these days or in this market, no? Kasi may mga available naman na tools like CapCut, Premiere, if gusto mo ng medyo heavy na editing. But if you want a user-friendly lang, then I can say na CapCut can be a good choice. Sobrang big win din if marunong kang mag-suggest ng mga content ideas sa client mo na, baka pwede mo tong i-film, ganito yung style natin para maganda yung video, para effective yung video sa mga customers. Pwede tayong gumawa ng mga user-generated content, or pwede nga ako as a VA, pwede ako mag-video ng self ko to help promote the business or the brand. Alam mo yun? Sobrang wide din kasi ng creativity nun eh. You know, you help them produce materials on their TikTok account, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or it can be a YouTube video if gusto nila, diba? Kaya mo ngang maggawa ng videos or gumawa ng reels sa mga travels mo, diba? How much more if may ma-land kang client na nagni-need din ng ganyang service. And last skill is the communication skills, which is for me ito yung pinaka madalas na i-ignore ng mga VAs. Kasi as a VA, sobrang expected sa'yo na you have a good communication skills, no? Dapat marunong kang mag-update sa client mo, marunong kang umintindi. Kasi if you have a good communication skills, parang everything ando na rin yung self-awareness, yung initiative, emotional intelligence, mga ganun. Kasi if you don't have a good communication skills, sobrang hirap mo katrabaho. And usually, yan yung mga nagiging rason why yung client nawawala. Kasi, like for example, if si client, hindi naman siya nag-update sa'yo, so ikaw as a VA, ayaw mo rin mag-update, so walang mangyayari talaga. So, mawawala yung client kasi hindi kayo nag-build ng partnership or ng trust together. For me yung client kasi, sa mindset kasi ng client, parang just do your best. Parang prove to me na deserving ka, diba? So, I can hire anyone pa naman. So, ikaw as a VA, if nakapasok ka na, if nakuha mo na yung client, then, do your best to communicate with your client. Like, mag-update ka, ipa-feel mo sa kanya na gets mo yung task, gets mo yung workflows nila. Magpakita ka ng confidence sa self mo na kaya ko to, kaya mo yan. You can trust me, boss. You can trust me. Hindi enough yung marunong ka lang mag-English. Alam mo yan, yung dapat may sympathy ka rin, may intelligence ka emotionally, may self-awareness ka, may common sense ka. Ano pa ba? Lahat. So, isa din yun sa magiging way na to keep your client long-term talaga, na maka-build up kayo ng good communication, good dynamics. So, if ayaw mong maiwanan sa trend this 2026 or this era, always lang natin i-apply or learn and apply yung mga skills na dapat nating i-learn now. Like yung na-mention ko kanina, una is yung AI tools and automation, social media management, copywriting, video editing, of course, yung project management and organizational skills, and then of course yung communication skills. Hindi mo naman kailangan matutunan lahat, but at least aware ka sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo, aware ka sa mga trends now, aware ka sa ano yung parang nilook up ni client sa'yo. Start with one high income skill and then build from it. So I hope you guys na nakarelate kayo sa na-share ko today. So quick lang, comment down below yung ano pa yung gusto nyong skills na gusto nyong ma-learn para I can create more videos then in the coming weeks. And if this video helped you, of course, don't forget to subscribe to VA Masters. And yes, it's me again, Roxy, and I'll see you in the next one.